Right shredders, today I'm going to do you a tutorial on how to plan a grand adventure like this one that I'm on right now. So first of all, you need destination. So maybe you've had a friend tell you about it, maybe you've seen it on social media. My next stage is I'll have a look at the hiking map of the area. Perhaps it's available online, or maybe I'll use an app such as Komoot to check it out. Alright, so I've got this place called Châtillon-en-Diois, which I've heard has good riding. So quick look at the IGN map. I've got this trail just here. So let's hop over to Komoot, like I said, and we'll map it out. Hop up to the top left, click on Route Planner, enter our address, Châtillon. So we click Start here. So we're going to pick from the top left the sport. So you've got a choice here. We want to check enduro mountain biking, and then we get on our way. We're going to go up this fire road here. Up to there, set as new endpoint, and then you can see that the trail that we wanted isn't on this map. So what we're going to do about that? Well, let's just double check on the 1 to 25,000 map. So here we've got this right hand bend that we're going to be following, and then just before it goes right again, it turns off. Okay, cool. So it's going to go off just here. So we want to get from here to here, but if I just do it like this, it's going to go the wrong way. So, got something important when you're doing off-grid is to untick follow ways. Perfect. Right, let's turn this straight line into actual zigzags on the trail. So we need to go over to the right-hand side and choose a different layer. So this one is shown on the Google Roads layer, so we'll just quickly change to that. And then you can just take hold of that dotted line and just drag it into position so that you've got it following the trail. That's going to give you better distance data. It's going to give you something you can actually use to follow. And then let's put my endpoint down in the town. And now you've got to remember to click back into the box, follow ways. I don't want to go straight down here. I want to go on these corners. Because corners are always better than just straight down, right? More fun. So you just drag it across like I just did. If I pop up to the top left here, I can toggle the elevation profile on. That shows me what we're going to be doing. Could send the tour straight to my phone. I'm not going to do that today, but I am going to obviously save my tour. So here you can invite your friends. So if they want to put the GPX on their phone or whatever as well, perfect, that's what that's for. Now, I can add this to collection. This is pretty cool, I like this a lot. Here we have it, I've made a collection, Die Autumn Road Trip 2020. Add that. Done. Here it is. Now what I really like about this is that you can see where you want to go on a map. So this makes it really useful for planning. Let's say for example we're going to do day 1 down here in Châtillon-en-Diois, and then we can see quite easily how far it is to this town here called Die, and what else I've got planned for here. So that's really useful because it means if you're going on a big road trip and you've got all your spots mapped out, it's really easy to go, right, okay, that day I'm right there, next day I can drive to here. Like, how useful is that? I really like that. Sweet. Right then, let's go and see if this ride's any good. So we are here in Châtillon-en-Diois, I think that's how you say it, which is down there. We've just climbed up about an hour to, well, we're going to ride a trail which is over there, off that hillside, down partway down to the fire road, and then climb up and head off and finish up in the town down over there. So we're going to come back up the fire road and go round down there. Let's see if the trail's any good.
Tally-ho!
Tally-ho! Tally-ho! Woo! Wow, it's slippery! Ooh, cool! Ooh. Oh no!
Yeah, exactly. Mental note, don't do a big bunny hop.
Just before a corner!
Yeah, exactly. Being in the air means you can't brake.
That's funny. Oh, look at all these little curves! Woo! This is like a dream trail! That is really cool!
That was way cool!
Wasn't it? It's like so different to the bit above. Yeah, I enjoyed the tech down
diverse.
there. Yeah, that was mint.
The question is, will this one be as good as the first one?
Yeah.
What do you reckon?
It was good, wasn't it, that first
It
one?
was flipping brilliant. We just bossed up a Just bossed up 300 metres up to the next trail. Let's see what this one's like.
Have you not got your emergency flapjack like this?
Emergency flapjack? I already had mine.
Did you not bring two?
I bought two, but I've had one.
This is my second one.
Chatillon en deux. We go. Ah, yes. I am look. These trails are mint. They're just so nicely constructed. Back. Oh no. Oh, you bloody cheat. Oh, back to whooshing. Woohoo!
Oh, look, a view!
Oh, what anchor pow?
Look at that. That's quite cool,
That
isn't
is
it?
so nice.
That was mad. I was just like...
I know. Boosh.
So, there we go. We have done 4 climbs. Just about to drop into the 4th single track. The 3 beforehand have been so good. Let's go and see what this 4th one's like. Fingers crossed. It's a banging finale. Get down to the van, have a nice beer.
Beer is not in the fridge. Beer in the door, crisps in the cupboard, sausage in the fridge.
Oh yeah, let's go! Oh yeah. Oh, corner! Woo! Ha! Woo! Oh yeah! Oh my god! These trails are so good! Oh my word! Another wicked trail!
Banging.
That was so good! Oh my word, I don't know which one of those trails is the best!
You had a good day.
Yes! That's amazing!
How many trails are in them?
What, about 5,000?
Oh,
So it's for the top
I think
four?
that's a conservative estimate. Yeah, they were the top 4. Amazing.